Good morning, Mr. Hunter. The association has brought it to our attention. There are far too many varmints at large in Northern California. Ranchers and farmers have requested your help in exterminating these creatures. Your assignment: find and exterminate as many varmints as you can. However, your mission is to weed out and exterminate these specific pests. Sammy the Squeak. Sammy has served time for hosting fleas and spreading the bubonic plague to the human population. He is now being hunted for damaging farm equipment with his soil excavation and bringing harvest operations to a halt. Sammy and his gang are located primarily underground and compete with livestock daily for food. When he does come out, you must shoot him in his tracks. It's the only way to stop him. Next is Lenny Long Tailed Squirrel. Lenny is wanted for destroying walnut and apple orchards, gnawing plastic sprinkler heads to pieces, and eating an entire bale of hay every year, costing one state alone over $2 million in losses. Additional criminal violations include burrowing in parks and cemeteries, devouring newly sprouted seeds, and destroying local vegetable gardens. The sooner we exterminate this disease-spreading varmint, the better. Lastly, Rocky Rockchuck, the most dangerous, most wanted varmint in this mission. He frequently goes by the alias Yellow-Bellied Marmot. One inside criminal investigation believes Rocky is responsible for burrowing huge holes, causing several broken legs in a herd of livestock, and digging out tunnels long enough to topple an entire barn. Rocky has racked up a mile-high record wandering from state to state, destroying rangeland, and has made this mission absolutely necessary. Rocky must be stopped, and it's up to you. The Varmint Hunters Association have notified us these 3 varmints have many lookalikes. Although your assignment will not be easy, it will be fun. You will be required to shoot as many varmints that pop their Weasley heads out. Be on the lookout for Sammy, Lenny, and Rocky at all times, as your mission will not be complete until you exterminate them all. We will equip you with a precision varmint rifle, a varmint master shooting table, and all the exploding tip ammunition you can carry. Poisons and other forms of extermination are not in the scope of this operation. If you or anyone in your mission are discovered by ranchers, don't worry, they will invite you back. After seeing your action and skill in Exploding Varmints Part 1, we know we've come to the right place.
Man, I love doing this.
This mission, should you decide to accept it, is called
Hello, all of us at Varmint Videos would like to welcome you to Exploding Varmints Part 2. Here in beautiful Northern California, we'll be taking you on a wild and exciting mission. We're going to be hunting squeaks, long-tailed squirrels, and those huge big rockchucks. These varmints are known for destroying property of ranchers, farmers, and digging holes and spreading disease and damaging all kinds of crops and doing destruction in many different kinds of ways. Hello? Okay, right there. The association has just informed me that Sammy is on the loose and he's nearby. It's time to go. Are you guys ready for this?
Ready?
Yeah, kill him. Oh, nice shot.
Kill.
I ruined his day. Yep, it's time to clean this gun. There's too many misses. Too many misses. You got anything to clean it with?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, well, let's do it.
There's a rod.
They're still coming up out there, so we need to hurry up and get going here.
It's really important to keep your gun clean for accuracy, and
Yeah.
you can do a quick field cleaning like this. Need to hurry. There's still some coming up out there. There's a couple right there.
Sammy, I really don't want to miss anymore. It's got to be 100% accuracy. And those long shots that we take, you've got to keep your barrel clean for accuracy. The association does not like any misses. Oh yeah. You know, it makes all the difference when you're shooting a precision varmint rifle. This exploding tip ammo and a clean gun is a perfect combo. It's perfect.
That cleaning the gun sure makes a big difference, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Oh,
there's one right there.
There goes
Okay,
another.
right there.
Thank you. Yeah! Nice job! Perfect.
sure am glad the Varmint Association sent us on this mission to help out these ranchers. They really appreciate the work we do, and man is it fun doing this. Anybody that's interested in becoming a member of the association can enlist at varminthunter.org. All the tips that we learned and all the latest equipment and techniques are right here in this magazine. The association helped us complete this mission.
Yeah, it did. The Varmint Hunter Association has really trained us well. Plus, the awesome bench that Varmint Master sent in has really stabilized and improved our accuracy.
Oh, absolutely. When you get down on this thing and you shoot, there's no movement at all.
You know, our stats are a lot better this time, too.
Yeah. Hey, that's my phone. It's probably the association calling. Hello?
Hello, Mr. Hunter. Are you ready for your biggest mission yet? Ranchers have reported the Rockchucks have been multiplying like crazy. The association needs your best marksmanship for this mission. Now that you have the BR pivot bench and plenty of practice, you should be well equipped to complete it. Good luck.
know.
Congratulations, Mr. Hunter. Your 3 assignments have been a huge success. We knew we had the right persons for the job. We will file this final stout report with the association. They will be very pleased. Good work. Thank you, and we look forward to using your expertise in the future. Be prepared for your next mission, Exploding Varmints Part 3. It will be sooner than you think.
We'd like to thank you for joining us on this mission. We hope you had as much fun and laughs watching this video as we did making it. You can visit our website at varmintvideos.com to check out our new and upcoming videos. We look forward to our next mission, Exploding Varmints Part 3. Until then, thank you for watching, and a special thanks to our generous sponsors whose product and support helped us bring this fun and exciting video to you. What happened? Huh?
Started an avalanche on me, trying to get me.
Did I knock the house down? Huh?
You trying to get me.
What happened? I knocked the house down?
Trying to get your partner.
Yeah.
Come out, the hands up. Not here.
Pop, and if there's a speed dial on that microwave, hurry up and get it going because this is going to be good. So hurry up. We're gonna go out there right now. Welcome to. Dang it, I had that one too. Back to Exploding Varmints, and this is part 2. And are we on a mission? Very excited. I'm so excited right now. I can't stand it right now. Welcome to Exploding Varmints Part 2. Duh. Welcome. I'm pretty good. Oh crap. Okay.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Welcome to Exploding Varmints Part 2. Okay.
Welcome to Exploding Varmints Part 2.
Welcome to Exploding Varmints Part 2. We've had thousands of requests for Part 2 and am I excited yet?
Yeah.
We are so
I'm really stuck on this. For some reason, I just got brain locked.
It's all right.
I don't got anything to say.
Sure, you got a whole lot to say. You better.
Right now, I don't. Part 2. You thought part 1 was good. Wait till you see this. We on the first part of this.
Welcome to Exploding Varmints Part 2. And we got a ground squirrel right there.
I
We need
know,
to
but-
shoot him, so you need to get through this scene.
Okay.
You're credit the first part of the video. He said in our second part it's going to be better yet.
Okay. That's
Just
right.
say,
You don't.
you know what I mean? Slam it out. This is Exploding Varmints Part 1.
No, it's not. It's part 2.
Part 2. Got me messed up.
All right. You ready?
I'm ready.
You ready? Because I got to kill something. This is bugging me. I got to kill something.
We are almost certain that this mission has been a success, but the Varmint Associates,
Take 6.
take down.